Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting with a quick overview for a near for the all-time history. We are in three waves towards the upside in a wave A or a wave W. We are looking after this, of course, for an A, a B, and a C, or probably even a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A wave 5, of course, which is, of course, and here a bigger impulse than your wave 3. So both possibilities works here. It depends, of course, what we get after it. So as you can see here, even after it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very perfect impulse without reaching the wave 1. Your wave 3 is not the shortest between the 5 and the 1, but also it can still working as an A, B, and a C. At the same time, as you can see, it can be just 3 waves. So very tricky 2 waves here, just changing the whole overall idea between bullish and bearish. Now, if we have here an ABC, which it looks at basically corrective because nothing is impulsive, unless if you want to consider as well 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a leading diagonal, but a very low possibility. And that because, of course, your wave 5 might be very, very close to your wave 3 in length. So, very doubtful, right? So A, B, and a C probably. Your wave C still need one more wave toward the downside to be finished. Obviously 1, 2, 3. And we are right now looking for a wave 5 to finish this A, B, C in a zigzag, of course, at the 1-to-1 fib level. Or it can be a regular flat, of course, where we have the 1.05 as also a perfect fib level. Now it has been touched, the thing, and we are still looking, of course, for higher, but it looks like the structure is only unfinished. Only we need to finish the structure, maybe hitting the 0.618 for a perfect wave 1, 2, and then continuation toward the upside. And that means, of course, give much higher possibility for the bullish here as a B, and a C, where you have a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside here to finish this regular flat towards the upside for a wave C. Another scenario can be a WXY, which is the magenta, W in a zigzag and an X for, of course, this zigzag as well, and a wave Y because, of course, this impulse looks very, very big wave towards the upside, and it looks even very big for an impulse for a wave C, by the way. In case you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, that means, of course, this big wave 1 aims for something much more bigger than this, right? And therefore you have to think, okay, what if this is a one leg for a wave A in a zigzag, ABC for a wave B, and one more leg for a wave C, again the same length, finishing this scenario around the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level as a wave Y. In this wave Y, of course, you might finish 3 structures, ABC, ABC, and A, B, and a C, and then moving towards the downside, of course, because you have finished 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then continuation again for higher prices. On KGT for near, we are looking here, of course, for a kind of like a divergence, but it's not really strong divergence. As you can see, the CVD, the signals, bullish signals, are very sideways. This is not very low. However, now the CVDs are going very, very low, to be honest, regarding, of course, what we are looking at for a price action. So that might be as well something to mention. So probably we might have one more low, of course, to take a stronger bullish signal here, where we are already on the 500, by the way. Here we are already on the 500, but it looks like the weakest signals in the bearish are affecting so much, of course, the trend line. And as you can see, we have some conversions with the bearish signals as well, as you can see from the top here to the down, and probably still affecting this one as well, and start to move a little bit lower here. We see invalidation for the bullish signal, another weak signal for the bullish, and probably one more low then, and to finish, of course, this bearish scenario. If we take a look here on the 1 hour chart to see what's going on inside this, well, we are looking, of course, to finish this impulse towards the downside, as you can see, where we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably. But for your wave C, if you remember that we have a wave C, we need to finish it. So probably this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, because as you can see, the wave 4 did not invalidate this impulse yet, and this is a very considered 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let me check also on the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, I mean, exactly. This is wave 2. This is wave 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, even we might have double for 5. And that because you have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably. Or it can be, sorry, it can be here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, this is a scenario. So let's just label this, of course, to make it much more clear for near here. And this is your wave 3 probably, and you're looking for another 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is a lower count, and we're looking, of course, for a smaller. So this is gonna finish, of course, a wave 3. Wave 4 is gonna finish later on. So yeah, probably, guys, we might even get more than yeah, we might get more than just one wave, one leg toward the downside. Very, very possible to finish this, of course, as ABC or a wave 2 finished here. Let's put this in yellow. Okay, so these are the possibilities on the daily. Here we go. You are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 1, A, B, and a C. Probably here it looks like this is a kind of like, yeah, a big wave 1 here. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Your wave 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish your wave 3, and then 4, 5 to finish in between the 0.618 and 0.786. And with this, it might, of course, finish also, yeah, no, not possible yet for the blue scenario, but I mean, it can finish a wave 2, and then moving for higher. In case, of course, we break those level and we move for lower, then therefore, yeah, it is the blue scenario where you are looking for lower prices. That was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.